Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will provide Flutter Lab Manual friends. Okay, so this is about the R22 regulation and third year. So these all are executed programs. So the list of programs I mentioned in this PDF. So completely you can observe there are different programs are there on screen. So these all are executed program friends. So approximately we have 10 programs are there in the PDF. So this all are belongs to JNTUH lab manual friends. So all programs are well executed. So you can see there are 10 programs are there on the screen. So if at all you required this PDF, you can ask me. So you can see the hardware requirements what you need for the lab. So there is a lab session 1 is there on the screen, and this is the lab session 1 program. So there are completely 10 programs are there. So this is a lab program 2, and this is a completely executed program friends. So next one is the lab 3, we can see now on the screen. So this is a lab 3 session. So like this we have all programs, completely 10 programs are there. These programs are belongs to JNTU Hyderabad. So as well as R22 regulation friends. So if you required, you can ask me.